In a world where WhatsApp forwards count as hard evidence, where I saw it online has replaced actual research, where everyone's an expert as long as they have the internet. Let me explain. I'm Pooja Prasanna, and every Saturday I bring you Let Me Explain, where we cut through the noise, unpack the headlines, and make sense of the stories that matter. News without the noise, context, and not chaos. And yes, actual facts. If you've ever wondered, wait, what's really going on? This show is for you. Does Modi avoid tough questions? It was called the good and simple tax. But is it really? No, Mr. Murthy, Indians don't need to work longer hours to fix our productivity issues. Let me explain, streaming every Saturday. Because it's time we understood the why and the how, and not just the what.